back to my channel. If you've not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. Down below, down below, down below, down below. Subscribe and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And leave a comment, tell me what you think about the style I'm about to do. And if you have any requests as to what you want me to do next, I'm always in the comment section reading your comments, replying to all of them. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I achieved my Bantu knots. It's a very simple hairstyle. Anyone can do it. And I'll show you step by step as to how I achieved my Bantu knots. I would wear it as a protective style if I have a wig. But I don't have a wig, so I can't walk around in Bantu knots. I can't. So without wasting time, let's jump straight to the video. For this particular style, you will need water, leave-in conditioner, oil. I've mixed olive oil, black Jamaican castor oil, coconut oil, and glycerin. Yeah, a cream of your choice. I love vertical cream. It has a nice container, but the thing I love about it the most is how it smells. This product smells so nice. You will need a styling comb, you'll need a white tooth comb, and you will need hair ties or scrunchies, a hairband, whatever you call them. You'll need those, and that's it. you.